Hey everybody, it's Carol Billing. I wanted to show you just real quick how to log on to Khan Academy. So this is the link. Let me get that out of the way. This is the link I gave you in the email. And then here's where your login or your child, if you're going in to look at their statistics, then it's you logging in. If they're going into work, they're going to log in here with their password. So it's even though you can see all their work, they have a separate account from yours. They're just linked. So once they log in, most of the kids know where to go and what to do, but just in case they don't, you're going to have them go here to subjects, math, and then they pick whichever grade they're in and get started. And so this is actually the work that I've done. So those percentages you saw were stuff I've done. Usually you start with a mission warm-up, and that calibrates the computer to what your child knows or doesn't know. And so I love this because it has this button right here. I haven't learned this yet. So if your child is reading these and has no idea, encourage them to hit that button, because otherwise they're going to get a bunch of work they don't know how to do. If they haven't done multiplication yet, I haven't learned that yet. Whereas 27 on the number line. And so there you would go through and you know, they would do the answer. If you get stuck, these are the videos down here, and I would encourage you to watch them with your children, because any new way of teaching math is taught the new way in his videos. And I'll be honest with you, when you watch the video, it makes sense and you go, oh, now I see why they're teaching it that way. But when we just get papers at home without any instruction, it's really confusing. These videos are worth their weight in gold in helping you understand the new way that they're teaching math with it's Common Core, quote unquote, but it's really just a new way of teaching math, which I think would have happened with or without Common Core. So anyway, okay, so that you would go through this whole thing and they would get done, and they'd come back here, this is called the dashboard, and they would have lots of different things to do here. You can see they're grayed out. But once you've done your mission warm-up, these other tiles will become available, and they can do anything they want that's on here. It's not in any special order, although probably it's prioritized with the most the things they want you to do at the top, but that doesn't matter. If your kid is interested in doing geometry, come down here and do geometry. I mean, the whole idea is that they get to learn some stuff they're interested in, and that it's not this linear progression through math. It's more like a spider web, and it's awesome because it totally picks up the parts, things that your child hasn't learned. They were sick the day your teacher taught it, or they just didn't get it the way the teacher taught it, or whatever, and it fills in those gaps. No matter what grade they miss that math concept. So that's why I love this program. Okay, so that's math. You also saw here there's lots of other things. These don't necessarily have like test problems and stuff. I haven't really spent much time in them. I have done here in computing. I love Hour of Code. I would highly recommend that. And you can go through this with your child. I would sit and go through it. Hour of Code here. Okay, lots of other stuff. Mainly for maybe the older kids, but maybe not. And then in class, I usually have them work for about 15 or 20 minutes, and then I also allow them, when they earn so many points, they can come in here and they can change this avatar, and they love being able to do that and getting some of these different avatars. Okay, I think that is plenty. I wanted to show you really quick, if you think the screencast is awesome, it's really easy to do. This is the program, or the website, Screencast-O-Matic. You can set up a free account, and you can do a 15-minute screencast, and it records whatever's on your screen, and it's free and it's easy. So there you go. Okay, have a nice Sunday. Bye.